Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Yeezy 450 by Adidas and Kanye West in the original cloud white colorway. These released on the 6th of March 2021 here in the UK for the retail price of £170. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from Dover Street Market. I want to say a massive shout out to them for the raffle win. And it comes in your brown Yeezy slide out box with 450 at the top. Some may notice that this box is half the size of the usual US 12 Yeezy box. As you can see, it's half the width and 4/5 of the length of a casual Yeezy Boost 380 box. And the style code is H68038. Sliding out the box comes the shoes in beige Yeezy paper. No extra accessories come with this pair. And although I like the environmental impact of a smaller box, I like that Yeezy boxes were symmetrical and they were easier to stack. But we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This new Yeezy model features a cream knitted upper with a PU injected sole that wraps along this upper for a fang-like look. This combined with an elasticated collar leads to a secured sock-like fit. The Yeezy 450 is the first Yeezy model to be made in Germany with its automated technology that allows for more eco-friendly and less man-powered manufacturing process. You may notice details like the size label being attached to the cream insoles that tells you to flip underneath. It also features a slightly rougher textured pale brown knit that's used at the heel. After wearing the Yeezy 450 for almost a month now, I am not completely sold about this new model. To start, I do like the sole's design. It feels fairly light and has a really nice ride, but lacks the cushioning and support I love compared to other boost-based Yeezys like the 350 and 700, as well as the Adiprene technology used on the 500. I also dislike the rippled outsole design, which causes less traction compared to other Yeezy models. Most of all, I hate the choice of knit. It doesn't stretch as much as the previous knits used on the 350 and 380. The collar feels very tight and sits very low, which doesn't really give much support. Overall, the knit feels very restrictive and less breathable. One thing I will say though, the more you wear the shoe, the more comfortable it gets, but to be honest, after a month of wear, I still find it the least comfortable Yeezy. Quality wise wasn't too impressive either, with some glue stains and inconsistency on the sole, which has tiny holes and blemishes. Sizing wise, these are not wide foot friendly, definitely go up at least half a size. So the question is, are these a 2 pairs minimum? It comes to no one's surprise that this is definitely a 0 pairs minimum. It doesn't feel like a mandatory pickup, and I feel like this new 450 was a big letdown to the initial hype. For me, the colorway is clean, the design is very unique, and I do like what the shoe was trying to do. However, it lacks cushioning, traction, the upper isn't very breathable, which makes this shoe very hard to recommend to people. I value myself for being honest, and I value myself in promoting products that are comfortable. As much as I love the Yeezy brand and I do wear Yeezys often, I feel like this 450 was a big fail. But this is just my humble opinion. Let me know what your experience is wearing the 450. If you managed to pick these up, do you agree? Do you disagree? Did you miss out? Did you pass? Let me know why in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to comment worst to show me you watched this video to the end. Please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends if you like this content. Apart from that, have a good day.